On Monday, we helped a U.S. customer solve a PCB issue where the internal signal was weak and easily interfered with. The improved design was tested and verified in a professional lab, and the updated PCB sample has been sent to the customer for confirmation. Mass production will begin once approved. If you also face similar PCBA design challenges, such as signal optimization, hardware debugging, EMIC improvement, or thermal management, feel free to contact us. Our experienced engineering team provides one-stop PCB service from design to production, ensure your products are reliable, market-ready, and deliver on time. Audit one-stop PCB assembly service save time, save energy, save money.